অনন্ত কুমার রায়, হোসেনপুর হাই স্কুল, কানসামা, দিনাজপুর. Today I take class in 9 and 10. My dear student, today I am going to teach you about take question. At first, we should learn what is take question. We can say when we want to know the opinion from others about my sentence is called a take question. So, take question only help us to know the opinion of others. Take question mainly format about with verb, initial, not and subject. That means here look at subject, verb, object. Take OV plus subject and question mark. It is assertive sentence. Negative sentence, subject, plus, not plus, verb plus, object. Take OV plus subject, question mark. My dear student, when we make take in assertive sentence, you can only auxiliary verb, initial, not and subject. On the other hand, when you make or take question, you use only auxiliary verb and subject, then question mark. Okay, like Rohim is a good boy. Rohim is a good boy. Then you use here auxiliary verb is, initial, not and subject, pronoun subject. He isn't he, and they are not playing cards. CRD as cards. Take are they? My dear student, First sentence, you can see Rohim is a good boy, isn't he? Next, they are not playing cards. Here, aren't they? Because the next sentence is negative, so I cannot use not here. Okay? My dear student, when you take, at first you know some initial word. Look at my poster. Short form. Am, here, aren't, is, isn't, are, aren't, was, wasn't, were, weren't, shall, shan't, will, won't, should, shouldn't, would, wouldn't, have, haven't, has, hasn't, had, hadn't, then could, couldn't, might, might not. So, yeah. Especially you should remember am here, when, at, not, am turn into are. Plural form, shall, shan't, will, won't, can, only one and use here. My dear student, you can add take by this way. My dear student, you look at the another poster. How can I add take question? Example, we can say, of course, you can see the picture. Who is he? Everybody know her. Okay? Sheikh Hasina is our Prime Minister. Sheikh Hasina is our Prime Minister. When you take, isn't she? Understand? Okay. Then the doctor helps us. Here, doesn't he? Then, mitaha. Mita, do you know? She is a singer in our country. Mita has no more. Hasn't she? Then, you look the picture. The woman hands her husband. Doesn't she? Then, he is a footballer, isn't he? Then you look the picture. The woman makes basket, doesn't she? Next, you can see the baby. The baby looks nice. The baby looks nice, doesn't it? Here we can eat. Because the baby, animals, things we can use instead of there. Then you can look a picture. I hope you know the man. He is a Azam Khan. Azam Khan is a singer. You take, isn't he? Okay, my dear student, I hope you know the capacity of take question. Understand? Of course, you have know some point. My dear student, when you see imperative sentence, you can use always will. Understand? Look at the board. Post the letter at take. Will. Then do not read the book loudly. Here you can use the same will you? Okay, my dear student, I hope you can learn some point about my teaching capacity. So I hope, আমি আশা করি you practice at home, because practice make a man perfect. Without practice you cannot be successful. Okay, I hope all are safe at home in the time of corona, and you can learn the next point about take in my next class. Okay, thanks to all.